Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do another dupes video for you guys. I really enjoy doing these types of videos, and if I can bring you guys something that's cheaper and it's just as good, I am all for it. So without further ado, we're gonna cut everything out of the intro and just get into the dupes. Alright you guys, so first things first, the first dupe that I have for you is one that you've probably already seen before. It is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer versus the Tatcha the Dew Jelly Pop Primer. In my opinion, these are dead on dupes. The only difference is the price and the way that it smells. So I'm going to do half my face with the Hydro Grip Primer, which I have already shown you guys what it looks like, but as soon as I get done applying it, I will show you again. Both are very long lasting. Both keep your makeup on all day long. I just realized I have makeup right here. I just get done filming another video, which is why my eyeshadow's already done. So here is what the Hydro Grip Primer looks like. There you go. And then this is what the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer looks like. Shocking, right? So the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer retails for $8, while the Milk Makeup one, I believe, is like $32. I will leave it linked down below. I know it's in the 30s. Which is why I just picked up the travel size just so I could try it out, because I was like, I'm not paying $30 for that in case I don't like it, you know. That, and I think the little minis are super cute. Alright, so while that is drying, I need to do one thing. I don't have a dupe for a pore primer, but if y'all know me, I have to use a pore primer. So I'm not going to use anything new. I will be right back. Alright you guys, so moving on to the next dupe I have for you is the CYO Life Proof Foundation, which I hate to have to say this, but if you guys don't know, this is an amazing foundation. It is only $7. It is from the brand CYO, which is made by Boots out of the UK. Well, unfortunately, about a month or so ago, I found out that they are discontinuing this. Why, I don't know, because as soon as that Taylor mentioned this foundation and how obsessed she was with it, everybody went crazy trying to order it. You could not get your hands on it off of Walgreens.com for months and months, and now they're discontinuing it. So what I found as a dupe is the Soap & Glory Kick-Ass All Day Wear, All Day Wear Foundation. So we're going to test these out and make sure. I heard it was a dupe through the grapevine. So we're going to test it out. On one side of my face, we're going to do CYO. On the other side of my face, we are going to do the Soap & Glory. So here we go. I'm just going to use the same type of sponge. Both of these are from Shop Miss A. One is dirty, one is not. Don't judge me. And that foundation just went everywhere. Hoo-ha! Alright, so on this side of my face, we're going to do CYO. For my shade twinsies, I am in the shade 109. Why, you guys, I feel like I'm not getting a lot of coverage today with this, which is weird. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more using a brush, just a flat foundation brush. I do have a couple of errands to run. My hair's in the way. Okay, now that that is on, we're going to go into the Soap & Glory Kick-Ass All Day Wear Foundation. This claims to be 24 hours, sweat-proof, water-resistant. You get the standard 1 full ounce. Actually, you guys, let me show you that the packaging looks exactly the same, except for their logo, Avi. Yeah, from the cap down to, except for this one's matte, this one's glossy. Crazy, right? All right, so I have mine in the shade 09, which is, it looks to be exactly the same shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Okay, the Soap and Glory may be a shade darker. Come on, camera. There we go. This is the CYO and this is the Soap and Glory. The texture, finish looks exactly the same to me. All right, going in with the Soap and Glory on the other side of my face. I'm gonna start out with a sponge. Don't forget that neck, girl. Oh my god, you guys, this feels exactly the same on my skin. To me, the finish looks exactly the same. This is crazy. Now, the price difference is, while I'm thinking about it, the Soap and Glory is around $13 or $14. It just depends on where you buy it at. So it is double in price because the CYO is only $7. But I mean, if you think about it, it's pretty much the average price of a drugstore foundation now. So I do not have a concealer dupe right now. So I'm gonna go do my concealer and then I will come back when we are ready to do bronzer, blush, and setting spray. All right, you guys, so it is time for bronzer. I'm not gonna contour today, I'm just kind of not feeling it. I think I have too much going on in the eyes and all that. So the dupe that I found for the Fenty, what is this? The Fenty Sun Stalkr bronzer in Caramel Cutie is the Covergirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Bronzer in Warmth. So I am going to put one on one side. This will be the Covergirl and this will be the Fenty. So let me grab a couple of brushes up in here. So the Fenty one, I believe, y'all know what? I'm not even gonna try to name prices. I am just going to leave the prices down below. The Covergirl will save you some serious coin. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the Fenty. It has actually become one of my favorite bronzers this year. But if you can save some money, you know, by something that is just as good, I am all for it. Now, I will say that in my opinion, the Covergirl seems to have like a little bit of sparkle in it. I mean, to me, you can't really see it. But once you apply it to the face, I don't feel like it's there. That's just my opinion. I feel like color-wise and like in like longevity, I feel like they're the same. And actually, sometimes when I'm wearing the Covergirl one, I feel like it's more pigmented sometimes. Like the Fenty one, what I love about it is there's no fallout and everything, but like sometimes I feel like I have to layer it. I mean, does that make sense? Hopefully. I guess I could go in with a little bit more of the Covergirl. But yeah, to me, they're the same. So that's my 2 cents. Moving on to blush. This one I was really excited about. Now, what I have here is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blush in the shade Beach, or Bellini Brunch. This is one of my absolute favorite blushes from Bare Minerals. But we all know Bare Minerals blushes can be a little pricey. So instead of paying 20 some odd dollars, I think those are 25 or 28. I found the BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease palette. Has 2 shades that if you mix, is it these 2? Hold on, you guys, because when I came up with this, it was a couple weeks ago, and I still hadn't got it filmed. I believe it is these 2 shades mixed give you the exact same shade as the Covergirl Bellini Brunch, which I'm going to show you right now. 2 different brushes here. So, going on this side of my face with the, what is this? Bare Minerals. Maybe it's this brush. There we go. I'm a little scared because this, not that the Bare Minerals is not super pigmented, because it is, but these you have to be careful with because they are hella pigmented. Like, I literally just dipped my brush in there. I hope that that helped. I hope you guys can see that. I feel like I'm having to build this one up to show that they're the same, because the other one, they're just so pigmented. Anywho, so the last 2 dupes that I have are actually setting sprays, and this one is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant setting spray. This is like my ride or die, my jam. This gives me the most beautiful glowing skin, and I really do feel like it helps my makeup last. As long as you're not one of those people that's constantly touching your face, your makeup is going to be fine. And I feel like I have too much blush on, you guys. There, now I feel better. Okay. Now, my dupe that I found for it that gives me the exact same look, the exact same longevity, moisturization, hydration, all of that is the Yes To Coconut Ultra Hydrating for Dry Skin Coconut Milk Mystified Moisturizer. This is $25. This is like between 10 and 14 depending on where you buy it. So I'm going to show you guys that really quickly. Ghetto fabulous. So on this side of my face, we're going to do the Tarte. That was actually kind of hard. Okay. And on this side of my face, I'm going to use the Yes To. Now, the only difference that I see is the mister on these. This one sprays a little bit better, in my opinion. Whereas I've noticed a lot with my Tarte one that the nozzle seems to get clogged quite a bit. And so what can happen is you'll wind up with water droplets on your face. So a lot of times what I do with this is I just put it in a different bottle. I don't have those problems because the formula is amazing. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't feel like I sprayed a ton with this one. And it's because this one is so potent that you don't need, girl, be careful because you will wind up looking super oily. Alright, you guys, and I have one more dupe for you. I'm actually not going to use this one because I do have lip product on, but if you guys have noticed, over time it seems like it has been harder and harder to find the Bath & Body Works My Favorite Night Balm in stores, and it's crazy. And the next best thing, in my opinion, until I found this dupe, was the Laneige lip mask, and that's even more expensive than this. So, in my opinion, this Burt's Bees, what is this? The Burt's Bees Overnight Intensive Lip Treatment, to me, is damn near the same exact thing. Even in formula-wise, once you take this out of the container and start applying it to the lips, it does the exact same thing. It smells amazing. And I just think that it's wonderful, and it is so much cheaper than what this one is. I think these were, what, $4 or $7? I can't remember because it's been so long since I've been able to find this at Bath & Body Works. But yeah, this is the dupe, and of course I will put it down below, but I believe these are only like $3 or $5. I love this stuff. It lasts so long. I use it on my lips all the time, and I get the exact same effect as the Bath & Body Works. Again, just the only difference is you actually get more in this one. This one is 0.34 ounces for the Bath & Body Works. Ooh, no you don't. This one is 0.25 ounces. But still, you guys, it's the same exact thing, and in my opinion. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's dupes videos. Again, I love going through my collection and then the new testing, or the new boxes where I have all the stuff to test in it, and going, oh wow, maybe that's a dupe, or you know, reading about stuff online and whatnot. I love it when I can bring you guys stuff that is cheaper. So I hope that you guys enjoyed everything today. If you are wondering about this eye look, I will link the video for this eye look up here. It is from the Anastasia Volume 1 palette. I think that's what it's called, or Anastasia Norvina Volume 1 palette. That's what it is. So, oh, before I go, this is the next video that you guys will see after this one, and this is the BH Cosmetics Take Me to, I'm gonna butcher this, is it Ibiza? Take Me to Ibiza. I think that's how you say it, but this is the next video that I'm gonna do after this one. So I will see you guys in my next one. If you are new here, well, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that before you leave today, you will hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so YouTube can notify you each time I upload, which is 3 times a week, periodically, as new releases arise. To my ride or dies, thank you as always for taking time out of your busy day to hang out with me. I appreciate you guys to the moon and back. And to the new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining our family. Hope that you will sign off in the comments down below and chit chat with me. As you guys know, that is one of my favorite parts of these videos. Number 1 is filming the video, and number 2 is getting to talk to you guys afterwards. We'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you again for watching. Have an amazing day wherever you are. Bye.